The National Treasury, through the budget policy statement of 2026, had allocated the counties 420 billion Kenya shillings as equitable share. Whereas the Council of Governors, we had requested 534 billion Kenya shillings because of 4 fundamental issues. Number one, the basic share being what we were receiving in this financial year of 415 billion. Then adjustment for revenue growth, because revenue had grown by almost 300 billion of 35 billion Kenya shillings. We have amount related to UHC staff. We are supposed to onboard the universal health coverage staff on permanent and pensionable terms as counties with effect from 1st of July 2026, and that was amounting to 8.4 billion Kenya shillings. Then we have an amount relating to adjustment for salaries at the 3rd and 4th cycle of 10 billion. And lastly, 65 billion are related to functions which have been delineated, gazetted, and they are supposed now to be transferred to counties.